We hope that you enjoy the performance as much as we have enjoyed putting it together for you. Have a great evening.
Thank you.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.
It's been the hottest ticket in Winchester for the past 100 years.
That'll be $30.
The Winton Club Cabaret, to benefit Winchester Hospital.
Through the efforts of the Winton Club Cabaret, millions of dollars have been raised to help the hospital.
They come here because it's entertaining and to kind of just raise money for the hospital and support us.
The annual review, held at Winchester Town Hall, is always a spectacle.
You may ask, why do these volunteers work so hard? Well, Winchester is their home, and the hospital is an institution in this town.
The magnitude of this year's show being the club's 100th is not lost on producers Gail O'Grady and Phyllis Gleason.
Amazing to think that we could even come up with a show that could capture the history of cabaret for 100 years. It was not easy. It takes more than a village. We have hundreds of people helping us.
I think our hope is that we are doing honor to what has come before us, and that we're looking forward to whatever. We won't be here for the next 100th, but that the tradition still continues.
With that old time rock and roll.
They reimagined numbers that had been done in past shows.
Sir Dave Backwell.
That's why they chose Uncorked as this year's show theme. They're shaking things up.
Expect the unexpected.
The mix of decades and genres of music was definitely unexpected. From contemporary pop artists like Katy Perry.
Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you.
To 80s classics by the B-52s.
You're what?
Tin Roof Rusted. Baby Love Shack.
Broadway hits.
No, I'm just like my country. I'm young, scrappy, and hungry, and I'm not throwing away my shots.
Rock and roll. And even disco.
It's raining men. Woo! Hallelujah! It's raining men. Amen.
There's a number that will make every audience member get out of their seat and dance.
This is where you wanna be.
But it doesn't come together without lots of hard work.
I mean, you just want to help other people.
Margaret Bertocchi, the Winton Club's current president, is proud of all the effort they put in every year.
It makes the month of January fly, but it is exhausting by the end of it. It really is, you know. But it's fun too.
They have to choose what songs to use.
Deep end watches I dive in. I'll never meet the ground.
Audition performers, rehearse, the ladies' husbands and significant others are enlisted to build sets. And don't forget the costumes. Racks and racks full of costumes.
550 costumes.
I think that's the number.
But the club's fundraising wasn't always this elaborate when it got started in 1911.
The Winton Club's been around for, it's 110 years now. It started off with 12 women providing support to the hospital at the time through sewing linens. Then over the years, certainly things changed, and they thought about different ways to kind of raise money. So that's where the cabaret idea came about.
It's an organization steeped in tradition, though they've proudly changed with the times.
I come back swinging. You tried to break me, but you see what doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Initially, if you were to join the club, you still need to be invited in and sponsored and things like that. But people would come to your home and kind of interview you. That doesn't happen anymore. And meetings were always during the day because women were tended to be home during the day. So that has changed now. Meetings are at nighttime. And we do some during the day, but we try to accommodate both.
The money raised at this year's cabaret and through the Winton Club gift shop, which is run entirely by volunteers, will go to Winchester Hospital's operating room expansion. It will also fund wireless fetal monitors, and some of that money will benefit a caring place, a shop at Winchester Center for Cancer Care, which provides wigs, head covers, prosthetics, and other items that insurance might not cover for patients with cancer.
Each dollar we raise, whether it's $1, $10, or whatever, if it's going to help somebody's health, it's going to help to prevent somebody from being sick or just caring for somebody. I mean, I don't know what better thing you could do, to be quite honest with you.